I see my journey at Thunderbird as a bridge between where I come from and where I am called to serve. I am Mariatu Kabba. I am originally from Sierra Leone, West Africa, and I just completed the Masters in Global Management here at Thunderbird.
Mariatu Kabba.
Coming from a background in international development, media, and women's empowerment in Africa, I arrived at Thunderbird with a lived experience, but with a strong desire to strengthen my global leadership, strategy, and system thinking. I have learned how collaboration across different cultures and disciplines can really create real-world impact. And I think Thunderbird really created the space for me, gave me the tool, the community, and the language to turn impact into scalable action. One of the most fulfilling moments for me has been partnering with the school to implement the 100 Million Learners Initiative through my nonprofit, All Pathways Global. I was able to give access to 220 young learners here in Arizona and in Sierra Leone, give them access to digital education, AI, and entrepreneurship. So for me, that really shows what Thunderbird represents, global vision grounded in strong action. I take with me not just the friendship and the global family I've been able to make here, but the global spirit in terms of leadership to pay it forward and to impact the world, because that's what Thunderbird stands for.